So here's the keeper for the injector. You want to turn it over 180 degrees. Slip it back up under the injector. Take your ball peen hammer and just tap right on the end of here because you have a lot of clearance to the manifold. And it'll start drawing that injector up out. Pull the keeper off and pull your injector out. The injector is caked with a carbon for sure. Okay, now I'm going to install the new Bosch OEM injector. Now that we have the injector in, we're going to reinstall the injector keeper.